not feeling too bad outside. Actually, it's feeling a little bit on the warmer end of the spectrum. Those temperatures right now are sitting in the upper 70s and winds coming out from the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour, even gusting up to 20 miles per hour at times is possible as we continue through the evening hours tonight. 74 degrees McKinney, 76 into Denton, 78 Fort Worth, 77 degrees in Dallas. Again, high temperature for this time of the year should be 56 degrees, and the record-breaking high temperature of today is 79 degrees. So we were so close to breaking a record here across the Metroplex, but didn't officially get there. Now, tomorrow, a little bit of the same story will be anticipated. We're looking at a high temperature around 78 degrees, sitting 23 degrees above average. Not likely to break the record, which was set back in the day at 83 degrees, but it's still very much warmer than average. As we continue into Thursday, it'll be 75. Friday, we finally get that frontal system swinging through. We're looking at 67 degrees. Then Saturday, temperatures will be more seasonable for this time of the year. Now, along with that frontal system that does move across the region, we are looking at a risk for severe weather. Now, it all starts tomorrow evening. We're looking at a marginal risk, which is a level 1 out of 5 threat for a couple stronger thunderstorms. Again, very far northwestern corner of the region. Not everybody's going to see severe weather out of this or even heavy rainfall, but just know the potential for some stronger thunderstorms is in the forecast. As we move into Thursday through the morning and into the afternoon hours, we do have a marginal threat once again for our eastern counties. Really to the east of the I-35 corridor is where some of the strongest activity will be likely to take place. Now, if you're curious, what does this mean? A marginal threat means isolated strong to severe thunderstorms are going to be a possibility, not a guarantee. Once again, that's a level 1 out of 5. And here's what it looks like from the Storm Prediction Center. All the levels, we are looking at a few thunderstorms on the stronger end of the spectrum possible. It's thanks to an upper level low that'll be moving across the region. You can see all of the energy here in the bright shades of red. Those are maximas, which indicate some of the stronger activity that is possible to develop. That's something we're keeping a close eye on, especially Thursday as the storm system pushes off to the east. I'm giving us about a 30% chance for some rainfall into Thursday, and then all of this activity continues to push into East Texas. 20% chance for some more thunderstorm development Friday to the east of I-35, mainly into eastern Texas. Then we clear things up headed into the weekend. Clear conditions is what we're seeing as of right now. Arlington, 78 degrees, dew point temperatures at 32, and winds from the northwest around 9 miles per hour. Temperatures will be dipping as soon as the sun sets at 5:37. We're back into the 60s by later on tonight. Now again, tomorrow will be a warm one at 78, but the weekend is looking quite pleasant with highs in the 50s.